Hey team, this video is to help you know what to do in case you missed class today, which is Wednesday, September 23rd. So if you weren't able to be in class, I'm going to walk you through this just like you would as if it was you logging in here, not the teacher. So I'm going to go to student view. So at this point, what you're looking at here on my screen should be what you see. Since today's Wednesday, I'm going to go to our green Wednesday button. If you'd like to read the story we read today, it's called Lost at the Museum. You can find it here under the Wonder Story link. If you need to finish your iReady test, especially the reading test, please go to iReady Assessment and finish that. This theme practice assignment right here, this assignment, one thing that some students are having a hard time with, and I'll go ahead and open it here so we can just take a look. Sure, I'll take the quiz, why not? Now, there are half of the questions on this quiz ask you the question, what details from the text support the theme that you've chosen? When a question asks you for details from the text, that question wants to know specifically what information from that story helped you know what the answer was. So if you just sort of say your own ideas here that didn't come from the story, we might not be able to give you credit for that. So if you thought, for example, that this sentence right here, that really told you what the theme was, you want to go ahead and write that sentence in here. So hopefully that helps. I'm going to leave class now, even though I'm leaving a test. That's fine. I'm going to go back to Wednesday because, once again, that's what we're looking at. This vocabulary assignment, this is the same assignment that was there Monday. So if you didn't have a chance to do that Monday, or you want to just refresh on the vocabulary words, you can. Another thing we talked about today is this discussion board thing here. This is our first class discussion board. I personally really like discussion boards, so we're going to do them. So this is going to be a bit of practice here first. Now, the rules. Read the comic and post your response that answers the question. The questions are right here. After posting your response, so after you post your response, you'll be able to see what your classmates and your teacher have said as well. Then part of the assignment is to leave a comment on a post that is a polite question or a polite comment. Now, this is not the place where you try to be helpful and correct someone's spelling or punctuation. We're not doing that. This is just a place to share some ideas. Here is the comic. You read this comic. Remember, the questions are right up here. What do you think the theme is? And why do you think that? Now, this button here that says reply, this is where you can say what you think the theme is. Click post reply. After you do that, you'll be able to see your classmates' work. So those are two of the assignments we talked about and got started on today in class. The next assignment, and this is due on Friday here, the first two paragraphs of your autobiography essay. Now, we started the organizer last Friday, so that was 5 days ago, and that was due on Sunday. So if you need to get back to your organizer, you can go to the grades tab and see it there. If you can't find it there, I have copies of all of the organizers that were turned in. So you can send me a Canvas message saying, hey, Mr. Harris, can you send me my organizer? And I will do so. What you need to do with that organizer is you need to choose two of the topics and start writing paragraphs for those. This is a rough draft. They don't have to be perfect paragraphs. They just need to be 2 paragraphs so that on Friday we can work on those some more. All right, that is mostly what we did today. So I think we're good to go there. Good luck. Send me a question if you have one.